There is nothing else like DevFest in Czech Republic.
We are always trying to bring something different, something extraordinary, and having a theme really helps us to bring something new, something different.
Communities from all around Czech Republic are involved in our DevFest. We have GDG in every major town in Czech Republic.
People are coming from different parts, traveling hours and hours for this special event. So this year's theme is post-apocalyptic time, when the planet Earth is damaged and destroyed after wars. And the natural resources are limited, most of the people are gone or on different planets. And we have this topic of people attending the fest trying to find water, which is like the most valuable thing in this future world. So the DevFest game, the game is about finding different QR codes in different locations. And every QR code brings up a question. If you find the right QR code and you have the correct answer, then you get water. And this also helps us to bring people to different locations across the venue, and it also helps our partners to attract more and more people.
DevFest is important because it's the largest concentration of Google technology experts you can get without going to an official Google event, which usually only happen pretty far away from here.
Going out and sharing talks and going to meetups and even participate in communities, it helps to broaden horizons. Via sharing their ideas and via meeting new people, they also are getting smarter and more involved.
Community is like a family that you can choose, which is really awesome, and all the people are just inspiring and very talented, and they care about other people and want them to learn new stuff.
It's a community of people who do what they love. Every single person who joins the community can help to shape the community the way she or he wants to.